Have you ever found yourself at a crossroads in your career, wondering if the place you work truly invests in your future? Do you dream of an employer that doesn't just offer a job, but a genuine pathway for growth, learning, and advancement? If those questions resonate with you, then you're in the right place, because today, we're diving deep into the world of career development at BluPeak Credit Union. In a competitive job market, it's easy to focus solely on salary and benefits. But a truly fulfilling career is about so much more. It's about feeling valued, having opportunities to expand your skill set, and seeing a clear trajectory for your professional journey. That's where forward-thinking organizations truly stand out. They understand that investing in their people isn't just a perk, it's a strategic imperative. When employees grow, the organization thrives. When you feel supported and empowered, you're more engaged, more innovative, and ultimately, more successful. And that brings us to BluPeak Credit Union. You might know them as a financial. First, let's talk about the underlying philosophy that seems to drive BluPeak's approach to career development. It's clear from their public statements and job postings that they prioritize a culture of growth and continuous improvement. They talk about empowering people, fostering a collaborative environment, and embracing diverse perspectives. These aren't just buzzwords, they're foundational principles that create a fertile ground for professional advancement. One key aspect of this philosophy is their commitment to individual growth. BluPeak explicitly mentions personal and professional growth as a perk and benefit they offer. This isn't just about climbing a corporate ladder, although that's certainly an option. It's also about developing new skills, expanding your knowledge base, and becoming a more well-rounded professional. This holistic view of development is crucial, as it recognizes that a fulfilling career encompasses more than just a job title. So, how does this philosophy translate into tangible opportunities? Let's break it down. Formal training and education. BluPeak appears to invest significantly in formal training and education programs for its employees. While specific program names aren't always publicly detailed, the emphasis on professional development training is consistently mentioned. This often includes access to courses that enhance job-specific skills. For a credit union, this could mean training in areas like financial products and services, compliance and regulations, customer service excellence, digital tools and technology. Beyond in-house training, it's highly probable that BluPeak supports external certifications and professional designations. In the credit union world, this could include certifications related to specific lending practices, financial planning, or even broader business development credentials. These external validations not only boost an individual's resume but also bring valuable expertise back to the organization. Some credit unions even partner with universities to offer discounted courses or tuition reimbursement, indicating a strong commitment to higher education for their staff. Internal mobility and career pathing. A true sign of strong career development opportunities is the ability for employees to move within the organization, both vertically and horizontally. BluPeak's emphasis on challenging employees and embracing growth suggests that internal promotions are a recognized pathway. When they talk about people being able to showcase their talents, exercise creativity, and put their imagination to work, it implies that there are avenues for employees to take on new responsibilities and contribute in different capacities. Career pathing is about helping employees envision their trajectory within the credit union. This often involves mentorship programs, cross-training, job shadowing, performance reviews with development focus. Consider the diverse roles within a credit union, from member experience specialists to loan officers, marketing professionals, IT support, human resources, and leadership positions. A robust career development framework would allow a motivated individual to start in an entry-level position and, with dedication and support, move into more specialized or leadership roles. For example, a member experience specialist might aspire to become a loan officer, then a branch manager, and potentially even a regional or executive leader. BluPeak's broad range of job types, from digital marketing specialists to loan servicing leads and network engineers, indicates a diverse set of pathways. Leadership development. As employees progress, opportunities for leadership development become increasingly important. This isn't just about managing people, it's about developing strategic thinking, decision-making skills, and the ability to inspire and motivate teams. BluPeak's mention of embracing, celebrating, and rewarding progress and willing to set ambitious goals and embrace grit points towards a culture that values leadership qualities and actively seeks to cultivate them. Leadership development programs often include formal leadership training, succession planning, stretch assignments, executive coaching, a culture of feedback and recognition. Beyond structured programs, a truly supportive environment for career development relies on a strong culture of feedback and recognition. BluPeak emphasizes authentic connection and an open-door environment where team members feel appreciated and inspired. This suggests that feedback is encouraged and valued, which is crucial for individual growth. Regular feedback, recognition programs, employee engagement surveys. In conclusion, BluPeak Credit Union appears to offer a comprehensive and thoughtful approach to career development. It's not just about providing a job, it's about fostering an environment where employees can genuinely grow, learn, and advance their careers. From formal training and education to opportunities for internal mobility, leadership development, and a supportive culture, BluPeak seems to be committed to empowering its employees to reach their full potential. If you're looking for an organization that truly invests in its people, BluPeak Credit Union certainly seems to fit the bill. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.